In this video, I will show you what happens when you rub half a lemon on the stove. It has surely happened to you that after cooking on the stove, part of what you were preparing ends up spilling, causing the heat to cause stains of dirt that stick to the stove. It is usually very tedious to have to rub them to remove them. But this has a solution thanks to the lemon. I will also teach you other lemon tricks that will be very useful to you, and you will never see the lemon the same way again. Here I have a medium-sized lemon. The first thing I'm going to do is cut it and take half. In a small container, I will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. If you don't have baking soda, you can use salt. I will take half of the lemon I cut and put it on the baking soda. As you can see, the baking soda will stick to the lemon. This is exactly what we will use to treat the stove. You just have to place the lemon on the area you want to clean and squeeze the lemon a little so that some of the juice comes out. We distribute the lemon very well throughout the burnt part so that it makes an effect, although you can also pass it throughout the stove where it is not even dirty, since this will make it very bright. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. After soaking the stove with the lemon and baking soda, let it rest for about 15 minutes. Once the time has elapsed, all you have to do is dry with a towel. This trick is amazing. You will notice that the stains will come out easily, and you will not have to force or scratch the stove. Now I will give you other alternative tricks that you can do with lemon. Number 1. Clean the inside of the microwave. Place half a lemon in a glass of water and place it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. This will melt the non-visible fat inside. Once the time has elapsed, clean with a towel. Number 2. Prevent the fruits from getting dark. If you have eaten an apple or an avocado and want to leave some for later, you can sprinkle with lemon before putting it in the refrigerator so that they do not darken and last longer in the fridge. Number 3. Remove bad smell from the refrigerator. If the refrigerator smells bad, just place half a lemon for 7 days and the smell will disappear completely. I hope this information today will be helpful. If you know any other lemon trick, leave it below. I am always reading your suggestions. Today's greeting is for Juan Carlos Payahuanca from Peru and for Virna Rojas from Colombia. Thank you for watching our videos. I say goodbye wishing you rich blessings.